other lifers. How are you on this lovely morning, afternoon, or evening? I hope you are all doing wonderful. I hope things are going absolutely splendid in your world. The following video is something that I talked about in the past. I mentioned that there was older content from previous moments along the seasons, the past seasons. And they're videos of stuff that I would like up on the internet. Some of them are just some shopping hauls, and others are just trips, like hiking, walking trips that my boyfriend and I went with Poop. And I don't know, sometimes the conversations between himself and myself are funny, and I want them on the internet. So that's what this video is. It's a mix of some summer fall-ish, and there's more to come. An Old Navy haul, a FREEBIRD haul. It's a place you can get boots or shoes and things like that, men and women's. And the FREEBIRD one, it's not so much a haul. It's more of I was showing you the shoes I had bought, and it's a little mini try on, and it's like to music and, you know, just the tomfoolery of my home. Poop walking by and stuff like that, I think, unless I edited that part out. I hope I didn't. I don't remember as I'm recording this. So we're about to dive into that. So I'm going to say thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for watching. And I do hope to see you again. I hope you make it to the end of the video. And I'll see you soon. We're going for a walk in nature. Huh? I'm recording. Oh my God, a little mini frog. Oh man, I wasn't recording any of that. Okay, thanks, Poop. Okay. I'm recording this on Labor Day. We're going for a walk in nature with Poop. My God, is everybody peeing or pooping? I should get that on camera, but I won't. We're going for a nature walk. Oh my God. Our poop smells terrible. You excited, Poop? She gotta drink some water before we go, though. Come here. You gotta drink some water. Come here. Here, right here. Right there. Here. Drink your water. She don't listen.
Where did she shit?
Up there. Look at that. Friggin' shotgun shells. She wouldn't drink the water that you had for her by the car. Do you think there's cameras in here?
Huh?
Do you think there's cameras in here?
I wouldn't think so, but you never know. Poop.
Come on over here, Poop. Oh, people drive like fucking assholes. That sounds like ATV.
Four-wheeler.
Oh, okay. There's something up here, too. Oh, the boat. Come here, Poop. Doesn't it look like straight ahead there might be water? Oh, wow, there is. Like a big. Yep.
Oh, you want to go back to the car?
Yeah. Looks big.
Huh?
So the water looks big.
Not a bad size pond. I don't even know. Like a swamp. Oh, huff and puff.
This is her best day ever. I've seen 2 orange lizards in here.
Have you?
Mm-hmm. When that truck with the boat passed us the first time, it was on the side of the road with us.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Is that what they're called?
I saw a baby one out in the fucking...
Our place, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then there was one I found that must have got too hot on the blacktop.
Aww.
Cooked it. This one I picked up before it did get cooked.
Good.
And I put it in the bottom planter.
Aww. So it could get back out if it wanted to?
Yeah.
Good. You had a dirt bike as like a teen or as an adult, you mean?
I've almost always had a dirt bike.
Oh. Even as a kid?
I started out when I was 5.
Who got you into it? Your dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, something bite you?
What's he doing? Oh, huff and puff. You ain't getting these
What we do here is go back.
What'd you say? I am though. How come you're not?
I'm starting to.
Sweating off all my makeup. My hair's growing in the wrong direction.
Going in the wrong direction.
Yeah, it's getting poofier and poofier.
You know you're thirsty. Yeah.
Yeah, no. No. We got water back at the car. We walked a mile.
You've been a mile?
Well, 0.91. Siri's working. My hair is literally damp from humidity. Damp. I also had no business wearing it down on a day like this. All done. Let's look up here real quick. She's not gonna drink until I get down there. Okay. Nature walk over. 1.20 miles.
Careful, don't walk in the dog shit.
Oh.
You don't want more to drink?
You don't want more water?
Come here.
Come back out and have some water, Poop.
Come on.
Come on.
I'll hold that.
Yeah. Come here. Let's have water. Here, Poop. Come here. Here we go.
Right here.
Here we go. There you go. It's a bit muddy. Oh dear. That was a failure decision of mine. Check myself for ticks now. What the frig? What the frick is that all about? Did you see all these casings here? Bullet casings?
Yeah, people probably come out here and shoot.
Jesus. Come on. Yeah, see. Yikes. Now we're leaving. So today is Saturday. I got maybe 2 hours sleep last night, so I look how I feel. No, I feel how I look. We are at Green Lakes State Park. Walking around to see the water and taking a pee break. So Poop's here. We're walking around. Let's see what we find. Do me again like that.
Oh, for fuck's sakes. Why?
I wanted you to do it, the whole thing that you just said to me.
What's wrong with you?
All of it.
Why, you recording that?
Yeah, it's funny. I'm not recording you. It's facing me, but I want your sound effect in the back.
Jesus H. Christ. What's wrong with you, for fuck's sakes? For fuck's sakes. What's wrong with you? Jesus H. Christ.
The sad thing is everyone is going to believe that.
What?
that I sound like that. No one's going to doubt it. No one's going to say, oh, she doesn't talk like that. Everyone's going to believe it. Hi, beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to show you my Old Navy haul, but I'm not going to make it a special Old Navy video. Just some shit I bought, right? No try-ons, no nothing. You don't need me to, I'm sure. This is just me sharing shit. So it's actually two separate hauls. And I just keep putting it off. And they were having a sale, getting rid of, summer-ish shit. And I was obsessed with one of their flip-flops. I will tell you that I did record a try-on of the shoes that I bought. And I will insert them when I am done showing you everything else. Yeah, this is probably like 2 days in a row. This is like a weekend in a row. So I recorded some vloggy stuff this past weekend. And I didn't finish it. And I'm finishing it now, but I'm going to finish it now with the Old Navy haul. Okay. So yeah, this is two separate orders, and there's a big ass truck right outside my window. They're doing stuff with the pond, so you might hear unfun sounds. I can't help it. Anyway, they had these flip-flops that I was totally obsessed with this summer, and I'm like, I am buying another pair because I will wear them next summer, and they're typical cheaper Old Navy shoes, so I know that they're not gonna last forever. I love Old Navy. That's not me taking a shit on them. That's not what I mean. But they were selling these wicked cheap, and it's literally, hold on, let me double check before I talk. Yeah, it is 2 pair of them. So I bought 2 more pair. And what do they look like? I don't think I recorded myself. I don't know if I recorded my foot in these shoes. If not, let me just show you real quick what they look like. Like kind of like a T strap or whatever. I love them. They are so friggin' comfortable. So comfortable. I live in flip-flops. I love them. Okay. But I bought these, and they kind of like, they tie all the way up they're fake leather, obviously. They were cheap. They tie up your calf. I love them. I bought those. Oh, hi. I bought 3 pair of those T-strap flip-flops. And I bought these. I will not lie though. These, I bought another color of them, like a creamy beige. If I recorded myself walking in these shoes so I could show them to you like 2 months ago. So I don't remember which one I tried on to show you the foot. I'm going to insert it now. So it might have been the cream ones, or it might have been these. I will tell you, I did wear them, or the cream ones, beigey cream. with an outfit this summer. And granted, when it's super hot out, my feet will swell. Not terribly. It's not like you can look down and know, oh, her foot is swollen. Not like that, but enough. You know, everybody's feet swell in the afternoon. Well, it was hot, and mine did. And these began to hurt. I'm just keeping it real. They began to hurt. So I don't know if I would wear them anywhere that I got to do a shit ton of walking. And I also bought 2 pair of different like penny loafers. I'm going to show you them here instead of me grabbing them because I already put them away. I am obsessed with them. I love them. They were worth every penny. They were not that big. I think they were definitely under $30 at the time. Yeah, I cannot say enough good things about them. I love those shoes. So I bought myself, you know, cheapy ones from Old Navy first. And because I do like them, now I don't have an issue with investing in maybe real leather ones. But we'll see. Okay, what else did we buy? Well, you know I bought some exercise pants. You know I did. An extra large. And these are like short. Oh, wait, these aren't the pants. These are like shorts, like biker shorts. Just to wear in the summertime when it's hot. You know what I'm saying? When I'm just doing cleaning and doing stuff around the house. But of course, I got it in the beautiful purple. But you just wait because we got more of that. I'm trying to do it in order of when I bought them. Hold on. I'm so disorganized. This, can you tell this is like an impromptu thing? I also bought myself 2 pairs of jeans from Target. The Ava and Viv brand. One are the boot cut, the wide leg boot cut flare. I have to wear heels with them. I'm 5'2". I used to be able to pull off a 30-inch inseam. I no longer can. I am now like 28, 29. And when I say I used to pull off the 30-inch, I used to always wear platform sandals. You know, I was in my 20s and then, you know, well, not all the 90s, huh? The late 90s, early 2000s. That was my decade of my 20s. And that's when them flares and boot cuts and all that shit were in style. Okay, thank you, 70s, for that 90s inspiration. But they're back. And, you know, it's not that I got shorter. It's just I need to wear more heels. But I'm not much of a heel girl anymore. And I don't necessarily want to be in platforms all the time. I'm not, you know, platforms go in and out of fashion. But I bought a pair of FREEBIRD's granny boots, which I'm going to show in another video. And they are 2.5-inch heels, and they are friggin' comfortable. So I can still pull off the 2-inch heels. And they lift me enough that I can pull off the jeans. But I will say, as far as sizing, I've shared this in videos before, talking about my weight loss journey. And I don't really think it's a dysmorphia that I don't think it's that big of a deal. But I still don't see myself as weight loss. So I struggle with what sizes to buy and things. So back when I had lost, I don't know, we'll say like the first 50, I, you know, I assumed I was a certain size, bought the Ava and Viv jeans, and they fit perfectly. But because they are all stretched jeans, they get saggy butt. So plus I knew it was time for me to go down a size or 2 or 3 in jeans. But I stuck to that brand because I like the stretchiness of the jean. So I bought them in, because I still thought I was the size I bought them in size 17. I am not a 17 anymore. I need to size back down. But, Yeah, why am I sharing that right now? I don't know. I'm sharing it because I still see myself as bigger. And, you know, that's affecting my purchases. That's what I'm saying. I need to do better. I bought an extremely large, again, this is another example, but I bought it in a 3XL t-shirt. It's huge. I don't know why. Like I said, I'm rambling, but it's a Hello Kitty Halloween shirt that I guess I'm going to be either cutting it up like I do a lot of my t-shirts and, you know, whatevs. I don't know why I'm telling you all this because it's huge and it looks ridiculous on me and it's so long. It's almost to my knees. It could pass as a dress. I'm going to cut it, I think, or I'm going to just push it over to a night shirt, but I really don't want to. I thought it was cute. I love Hello Kitty. So I'm probably going to cut it and maybe cut this down a little. I don't know. I wish I had got my shit together and showed you these clothes earlier so I could have at least enjoyed this shirt for Halloween this year, but I didn't. So I have to pack it up with the Halloween clothes and say goodbye. I bought some tank tops. I bought them in 2X. I should have sized down considerably because they swim on me. That's not why I wanted them to swim. But I liked the color and you know what? I'll still wear them. I'll wear them underneath like a sweater or a cardigan or something. It's a cute color. Got that pink. They were on like wicked cheap. That's why I grabbed them. So I bought another like hot pink. I bought a white, black, I bought some leggings. I bought petite extra large. Yeah, I said petite because I'm short. Some boot cut leggings, and they're like ribbed. I don't know if you can see that. I liked them. I tried them on. I'm like, yes, yes. Could I have went down to a large? Probably, but I just pull them up. I'm a weird bitch, aren't I? I bought some undies, some thongs. It was pretty purple. That's why I grabbed them. I've bought other underwear from Old Navy, and I love them. And I bought a really oversized sweatshirt. This is one of those examples of it. I didn't need a 3X sweatshirt, but that's what I bought, and it swims on me, so I don't know. It's a beautiful color. Oh, I know. I didn't deliberately buy it. I mean, I did deliberately buy it, but they were sold out of the smaller sizes, and I wanted it because it was so pretty. If you didn't know, purple is my favorite color, so we'll make do. I like my sweatshirts and stuff to be super baggy. I know you're looking at me and you're like, Kim, you got to come to terms with the fact that you're not 3X anymore. I know I do, and I am trying to be better. I'm not perfect. And why am I going on and on about it? Because I know I'm not going to return them. That's why. It's kind of funny when you forget what you buy. What the fuck is this? Oh, this is some bumming around the house. This is where you're going to kill me. I bought them in 2X. I know I don't need 2X shorts. I know I don't. I'll just bum around the house. Like, you know, when you wake up in the morning. I don't know. I don't know what you guys all wear to bed. I don't wear sexy ass pajamas. I wear a t-shirt and my underwear. You know what I'm saying? And then I like to throw on pajama bottoms when I get out of bed to go downstairs. So I'll throw those on. Wait till you see this beautiful color. Bought an extra large. And it is called Wisteria. It is gorgeous. I have a thing for workout pants, if you couldn't tell. I am at the place where I can probably start buying larges. which makes me feel really good, but I will not waste. I will not waste. And before you're judging me, listen, this is the plan though. As clothes get too big, especially the pants, I am donating. So it's not like I'm just throwing them out. I bought the same leggings, but in a navy blue, in a pretty purple, same color as that underwear. There's the actual leggings in that pretty purple I told you about. I got those. Also in like a teal, greenish teal. I already showed you that. Oh, okay. All right, I see what I did. Oh God, I got issues. I bought all the pretty colors and the same thing I did last time. I bought 2 of each, one in extra extra and one in extra large. That was dumb of me, I know that. But bear in mind, this order was done months ago. So that was before my brain was fully screwed on. I'm trying to get better. Again, at least I look at it as every time as I'm working out the kinks of what size I really am, I'm going to donate these. So someone's going to get a blessing, right? I don't know. That's how I make myself feel better for my screw ups. Okay, so this is the more recent order. And I was trying to get as many like flare boot cut kind of leggings. And I got it in petite and petite extra large. These are boot cut leggings too. These fit great. They're not black, they're more like a charcoal color. These fit nice. Ooh, probably should have got the large, but I'm gonna stop saying it. I'm just gonna show you the clothes instead of me explaining my craziness to you. I don't know. I think these are black. Black or navy. It's hard to see in this light. Sun's going down. So I bought a pair of black ones and a normal extra large. Normal. Regular. I bought same things. These are just leggings though. I'm not going to pull them all the way out. I got them in the navy. They look black, but they are navy and they're navy velvet. They're cute. A raspberry colored workout pant. I have a lot of workout pants. I work out every fucking day. I know it's like I take one day off. Used to take 2. I take 1. Now, some weeks I take 2. It depends on what he and I got going on. More boot cuts. No, those were black velvet. Sorry, those were the black velvet. These are the navy. No. Several pair of boot cut leggings. And navy. And burgundy leggings. And by the way, when I'm saying leggings, I mean it. Some of these are just as leggings, not all workouts. I live in leggings, if you didn't know. Live in them. And I spend most of my early morning in my workout pants. That's why I have so many workout pants, right? Because I gotta get my hair, you know what I mean? I'm trying to be good about getting my workouts done in the morning. Any of you that coach with me, you know you've had mornings where I'm like literally in the middle of a workout, stopping to do my call to go back to the workout. Because sometimes that's the only way I can fit it in. So I spend like the first half of my day in the workout pants. I don't really like to lounge in them because that's not why I'm wearing them. But I don't know. I guess I'm just telling you things. Yeah, I guess that's it. Okay. I just wanted to quickly show you that the FREEBIRDs come in bags. They used to come in, you know, 1 bag per shoe. So far, I'm recording this as 2 of the 3 pair I ordered have arrived. So I'll probably have a different outfit on for the last pair, but both of these pairs have come in only 1. I mean, they fit fine. So I don't know if that's a new thing for FREEBIRD. I don't know what it is. I just love their shoes. I have multiple pairs of their boots. And they smell amazing. They look amazing. I feel nice when I wear them. They're my dressy. They're not my day-to-day shoes. My dressy shoes, but this is how they come in their box. But their box has changed too. It used to be shiny black. Now it's more of a matte, in case you cared. if you made it to the end of this video, I'm friggin' impressed, and thank you for being here. I hope you don't mind seeing the bits and pieces of my life. I appreciate you being here. If you made it to the end and you're not subscribed, well, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to be friends? I want to be friends. If you hung out and watch a video of mine for that long, we clearly should be friends. Just saying. Anyways, I shall see you all. I like desperately want to say I'll see you in a week, but we all know that that might not happen.